All right, if you've got a huge backsplash like this one, start by removing everything from the area, including all the shelves. That's right, we're going to go all the way to the top, do it right, or don't do it at all. Start by wiping off all of the shelves with hot water and Tide. Next, move to the backsplash. It can get really greasy from cooking splatters, so you might need to use a heavy-duty degreaser like Mr. Clean to wipe up all the grime. Mr. Clean can leave streaks, so you can use Windex to polish everything to a shine.